back to number 6. Had a little couple trouble with my printer for some reason, so I wrote the B and C out. The hand, so it says here's f and g. They're both continuous and have second derivatives. Says table gives function in the derivatives. Then A says k of x equals f of g of x, and it wants me to write an equation for the tangent line. So I need a point, and I need a slope. So the point has a 3 to start. So if k of 3 would be f of g of 3. So if I go find g of 3 is equal to 6, so then it'd be f of 6. F of 6 is equal to 4, so I get the point 3, 4. If k of x equals f of g of x, then k prime of x will equal f prime of g of x times g prime of x. So k prime of 3 will equal f prime of g of 3 times g prime of 3. So g of 3 again is 6. So I get f prime of 6 times g prime of 3. So f prime of 6 is 5. G prime of 3 is 2. So I get 10. So my equation of the tangent line is y minus 4 equals 10 times x minus 3. You don't have to solve for y there. And B says h of x equals g of x over f of x, find h prime of 1. So first we'll find h prime of x, which would be g prime of x times f of x minus g of x times f prime of x, all over f of x squared. So we'll plug 3's into there. So g prime of 3 is 2, f of 3, oh, sorry, we're doing 1, sorry. So g prime of 1, is 8. F of 1 is negative 6. G of 1 is 2. F prime of 1 is 3. All over f of 1, which we said was negative 6 squared, so 36. So we get negative 48 minus 6 over 36 gives me what? Negative 54 for 36. So what? Negative... negative 5/3, no, negative 5/4, sorry. Wow, my math is struggling. Negative 6/4, so negative 3 has, I can do this. I'm not a complete idiot most of the time. C says, find the integral, I'm gonna give myself some space down here, from 1 to 3 of f double prime of 2x. Okay, so I know in order to get an f double prime of 2x, I need an f prime of 2x. But this f prime of 2x, you'd have to take the derivative of the inside, giving you a 2 that you don't have here. So I'm going to put a 1/2 in front of this. I'm going to evaluate from 1 to 3. So I get 1/2, and I'm going to get f prime of 6 minus f prime of 2. So f prime of 6, again, is 5. F prime of 2 is negative 2, so add 2, so we get what, 7/2. Okay, about as straightforward as an FRQ can be if you know your rules for taking derivatives. A little challenge there on C with that little chain rule there if you forget that. All right, guys, thanks.